subtraction of whole number and fraction or mixed fractions. Example number 1, 10 minus 4/5. O shortcut lang natin. Ito, shortcut lang ituturo ko ha. Babawasan mo lang ng isa, 10 minus 1 magiging 9. So 9, copy the denominator, then subtract 5 minus 4, 1. Pag pinahaba po natin yan, halimbawa ulit, 10 minus 4/5. Ito yung long method niyan. I-rename natin yung 10, magiging 9. Copy the denominator, 5 over 5 minus 4 over 5. So, 9. 5 minus 4, 1. Copy the denominator, 1/5. Same lang sila ng answer. Number 2, 15 minus 4 and 6, 9. Again, bawasan lang natin ito ng whole number ng isa. Giging 14. 14 minus 4, 10. Copy the denominator. 9 minus 6, 3. Then lowest term, 10. Divide both by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided 3, 3. So 9 and 1/3. At example, number 4 or 3. 18 minus 10, 3/4. So bawasan mo ulit ng isa, 17. Then 17 minus 10, that is 7. Copy the denominator, then subtract 4 minus 3, 1. Kaya ba? Madali lang ba? Yes, of course. So, try nyo nga yan. Comment your answer without using your calculator.